these rice varieties.
Invest India, the National Investment Promotion and Facilitation Agency, today organized a roundtable discussion on increasing the credit flow in Meghalaya at Pinewood Hotel, Shillong. The roundtable discussion saw participation from various stakeholders in banking and financial sectors with an aim to bridge the credit gap in the state by increasing lending operations. One of the contributing factors for low credit growth has been identified as high repayment delinquency rates. The average non-payment rate is around 14% in the northeast, higher than the national average of 12%. The Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman had announced in the Union Budget 2022 that a new scheme is to be launched for the northeast region to promote growth of the region. It is in this light that the discussion is being held.
This is a simple, like every challenge that all the entrepreneurs face, that they do not have credit accessibility is very low. So we wanted to find out why the credit flow is not happening, what are the reasons, what suggestions they can come up with. So that is the basic objective of having this workshop.
As part of World Environment Day,